What up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, J-Dubs Cars and Stuff, and this is the stuff. Today we are going to attempt to put on a heel shifter on the 2023 Indian Challenger. Okay, so anybody that literally saw my original Indian Harley Road Glide video, and even the 1,000-mile update video I did about a year ago, you will by no doubt know what I'm talking about here. One of the big complaints I had with the bike, the Indian Challenger, was the fact that there was no heel shifter. So I have bought a heel shifter. Indians is $180. Holy crap. A lot of money for a heel shifter. And I'm not even sure if I'm going to like the Indian one. A lot of guys don't like it. I'm not sure yet. I've actually bought two different heel shifters. I've bought an Amazon one that is identical to the Indian one. It was just not $180. It was about $85, so it was a lot cheaper. And I also bought the Kiriakin one. Now, this video is to basically show you how to do the Amazon Indian lookalike one. I'm not going to put the Kiriakin one on unless I don't like this one, because the Kiriakin one apparently puts the shifter just slightly behind the floorboard, whereas the Indian one will literally sit right on top at the very end of the floorboard. So we're going to try it out. I'm going to try the Indian one first. And if I don't like it, I'm going to take it off and I'm going to try the Kiriakin one. If I like the Indian one, I'm just going to stick with it. I'm going to send the Kiriakin one back. I don't know. That's why I bought both of them. So if I ride it around, and I'm going to give it a fair shot because it takes some time to get used to some stuff. So I want to try it out for a couple of days, and that might be a little while, simply because the weather's not been cooperating lately in Ohio here. It's been chilly, windy, and rainy, and everything else. So we're going to attempt to install this. So let's get into it. Okay, so the one that I ordered had no instructions with it, but I'm pretty sure that it's pretty self-explanatory. It comes with two bolts, and this is the shifter. It literally looks just like the Indian one, but as you can see, it sits at the very, very back of the floorboard. Now, I could totally see a taller guy with big feet. I wear anywhere between an 11 to a 12, depending on the shoe brand. So I don't know. This may work, it may not. I'm not sure. This is just mocked up. It's not installed. So like I said, we're going to see what happens. The Kiriakin one, like I said, sits a little bit further back about here. So we'll see how this works. Okay, guys. So this one takes a little bit of time. It's a 4mm Allen. Okay, you got a bolt here and a bolt on the very bottom here. I think you're supposed to take the floorboard off. I didn't want to, so I didn't. This one wasn't hard to get to, obviously, but the bottom one, I had to wind up using, a hex key, because I couldn't get a socket in there. Kind of a pain. Okay. So this is where my foot sits. And I'm not going to lie, I don't know why they don't go closer to the primary cover. You got about 2 inches of space there that you could have easily gone to the primary cover. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I'm going to like that or not. I'm going to have to ride it a little bit to see if I like that. Like I said, it's literally two bolts. I'm going to go ahead and say you're probably going to want to blue Loctite those, simply because I have a funny feeling over time. Vibration, not to mention just the actual not being able to get a good, you can crank it, but how much can you crank with an Allen key? So, like I said, if you take the floorboard off, I'm sure you'll have plenty of room. I just did not want to take the floorboard off, especially considering that I don't know if I'm going to keep this heel shifter or not. So we'll have to wait and see. I don't know. We'll find out. But like I said, guys, this is all I'm going to have for you today. Really not difficult. It's two bolts. You just got to really play with the bottom one to get it started and whatnot, but it can't be done without taking the floorboard off. Like I said, I'm bringing more videos to you guys all the time. Please like, share, and comment. I answer everybody in the comments that I can. And I do appreciate every one of you guys. Keep the channel growing. I want to bring more videos to you guys. So I think that's going to close this one out. So until next video,